Did you know you can make a storybook with just one piece of paper? Well, here's how you're going to do it. Print out all your pictures onto an A4 page. 4 of them this way and 4 of them facing that way. Now, fold your page in half. Get a nice crease down the middle. Open it up and fold it in half this way. Get another crease and fold it in half once again. Now open it up, but only halfway. On the closed side of your page, you're going to cut towards the middle. Now, you've got a big hole in the middle of your page, but that's exactly what you need. Fold it in half and squish the 2 pieces together to get a hole in the middle. Now figure out where the front cover is and fold it closed. There you go, a mini storybook for mini people.